ఫస్ట్ ఫీచర్ వచ్చేసరికండి ఈ వాచ్లో ఫస్ట్ టెంపరేచర్ డబుల్ టెంపరేచర్ సెన్సార్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సెకండ్ వచ్చేసరికి రెస్పిరేటరీ, ఇట్ మానిటర్స్ రెస్పిరేటరీ. థర్డ్ ఆక్సిజన్ లెవెల్స్, ఇట్ మానిటర్స్. ద ఫోర్త్ వన్ హార్ట్ రేట్. సో ఈ ఫీచర్స్ని కంటిన్యూస్గా మానిటర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుందండి. అండ్ ఇట్ కీప్స్ రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి వీ హ్యావ్ బిల్ట్ ఎ క్లౌడ్ కంట్రోల్ సెంటర్ ఫర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, schools and colleges-ki lot of spread. Imagine that you have more than thousands and thousands of employees in your organizations and schools. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసరికి ఏ పర్సన్ ఎక్కడ ఎవరిని మీట్ అయ్యారు, ఏ పర్సన్ ఎలా మీట్ అవుతున్నారు, ఏ పర్సన్కి కోవిడ్ ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయింది అనేది ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా చాలా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంది. ఎవ్రీబడి నోస్ దాట్. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్ వాచ్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పినట్లుగా టెంపరేచర్, ఆక్సిమీటర్ అండ్ రెస్పిరేటరీ అండ్ హార్ట్ రేట్ ఎవ్రీ 10 minutesకి ఆటోమేటిక్గాను రికార్డ్ చేసి క్లౌడ్లో ఉంచి అండ్ ఇట్ ఎనలైజెస్ ద డేటా యూజింగ్ ద ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్. సో దీనివల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే మేము చూసిన రియలిటీ కేసెస్లో 5 days ముందుగానే మీకు యూజర్కి తెలిసిపోతుందండి ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయ్యింది అని చెప్పేసి. సో దట్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ ద ప్రివెంటివ్ మెజర్స్. ఎలా చేయాలి, ఎలా మెడికేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి అనేది ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ యూ. దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ రియల్ cases which we'll be sharing with you, and you can visit the website safezone.ai. So these are the two cases. Next వచ్చేసరికి ఈ కార్పొరేట్స్కి వచ్చేసరికి we have designed a command control center where the management can monitor all the health of each and every employee, and when it comes to the schools and colleges you can able to see the temperature parameters which I've been speaking about on a cloud, so that you can able to alert the employees and you can contain the spread of COVID. Last 15 daysకి మీ కోవిడ్ ఒక పర్సన్కి ఒక కోవిడ్ ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయితే లాస్ట్ 15 days whom he has met ఈ 15 daysలో ఎవరెవరితో కలిసాడు విత్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాక్సిమిటీ ఆఫ్ 6 feetలో ఎవరెవరిని కలిసినా కూడా వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. ఇది మాన్యువల్ ప్రాసెస్ కాదండి. ద మూమెంట్ ఇట్ డిటెక్ట్స్ దట్ ద పర్సన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫెక్టెడ్ విత్ అ కోవిడ్, it automatically pushes alerts to all the people whom they have met in the last 10 to 15 days. This is one of the coolest feature for corporates, and the command control center undi, so they can able to monitor them, they can alert, and ఎవరైతే కలిసిన వాళ్ళకి alert వెళ్తుంది, ఈ ఇన్ఫెక్ట్ అయిన పర్సన్ కూడా వెళ్తుందండి. సెకండ్ పాయింట్. థర్డ్ పాయింట్, స్కూల్స్కి వచ్చేసరికి వి నాట్ గివింగ్ ఎనీ స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్స్. కిడ్స్కి స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్స్ ఉండవు కాబట్టి ఈ రక్షా వాచ్ విల్ టాక్ టు we call it as IoT based system enable చేసామండి వీటికి. సో the school management can able to monitor the features health of each and every student on the cloud. సో we can able to ఇప్పుడు కిడ్స్ నుంచి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత స్ప్రెడ్ అవడానికి ఎక్కువ ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి to prevent that we recommend you strongly to use the Raksha watch. That's the one. And third one which talking about the features, temperature, oxy, respiratory and heart rate. See, ఇవి ఎవరు మనం మాన్యువల్గా రికార్డ్ చేయాల్సిన నీడే లేదండి. సో ఇప్పుడున్నటువంటి సెట్టింగ్స్ ప్రకారము వీ హ్యావ్ మేడ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes it uploads into the cloud, and thereby you can able to analyze, and people can able to monitor, and it automatically pushes the alerts to the people. So these are the best features. If we can say ఏ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ స్మార్ట్ వాచెస్లో కూడా లేవు. we can say that we are proud to say that, and accuracy level of this particular Raksha watch is 100% with the lab tested and real practical scenarios which you have seen, and we'll be sharing you the testimonials of the same soon on the website too. And thank you so much for the time.
Good morning everyone, and happy to see the dignitaries on the dais as well. So Safe Zone, I'm sure many of you who are here right now would be wondering, so what is great about it? Why we look into a device and trying to see that it's a game changer? I'm sure many people have been using or have seen or known devices that already exist, which we claim to have. The features that we claim to have with Safe Zone as well. So what does it really do, and how does it make it work? Just to give you an example, let's see that we are about 100 people gathered in this room, and few of you might be using a smartwatch. Many of you probably tracking your own temperature or the SpO2 level or different things, But that is pretty much individualistic. You are in control of your own body and your health that you're able to monitor. But is that enough? Do I trust you that you have something that you're not sharing with me? How do I know that I feel safe in this environment that is completely controlled and managed and protected? It is difficult, right? So Safe Zone addresses this particular problem. It is not just about the device, but it is about protecting the community. It is protecting the system. The command center, actually, it protects a particular society. That the society that I live in, where I work, my family. So when everybody is using this technology, the command center actually alerts people saying that, hey, you are safe or you are not in a safe zone. This is very important. Before this, it had been very difficult. We had to trust each other, even the unknown people that we have to trust, saying that, okay, you claim to be okay, so I trust you. But this is not the case anymore. With Safe Zone, it automatically detects and alerts people in the vicinity saying that whether in a safe zone or you're not. So in that context, the users, the people can take their own decisions. This works very well with people who live in the families, large organizations, schools. Even imagine yourself traveling in an aircraft where you feel completely safe, saying that everybody has been detected safe. In real time, you could figure out that, if something has gone wrong or not gone wrong. So this helps. So we are not through, Safe Zone, we're not just creating a device. We're not trying to sell a device. It is a complete solution that people can trust and they can feel safer and live in a protected society. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samir Garu. Thanks a lot. Now I would like to request Rashmi Garu to speak a few words about our product.
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank Lakshmi Garu. Out of her very busy schedule, she has taken time for us. And also Manjula Garu and Bharat Reddy and Kajal, anytime she'll be here. And Anjani Kumar Garu, who are also supporting the Safe Zone. And Srimati Sabita Indra Reddy Garu. She's not able to attend the event due to some political meeting. So what is Safe Zone? Safe Zone, we are calling it as Raksha Watch in India. So we want to change the name as Raksha Watch. So Raksha Watch does really help people to, save themselves from COVID-19 spread. I have to say yes, because we cannot keep a track of oxygen levels and temperature levels, keep on checking out of our busy schedules. So what does a COVID watch does, Raksha Watch does, is like it will keep a track of your body behavior 24/7. So I would like to know, because already Srinivas have already, technical head have already told you how it works and how, what are the things behind, Raksha Watch to be so smart. It's a smart COVID watch. So I would like to know like few words and their opinion on Raksha Watch, like how it is useful for a patient to escape from the COVID from our delighted doctors. So they will explain like how it is useful for our body, and this pandemic has been, the second wave has been, very bad to India. So we thought of getting it. It is basically found in US and we got it to India. And I'm really proud to, get such a product to India, and thank you so much. I have to thank all the media people for all your support. So there are a lot of lives can be saved with the Safe Zone watch. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rashmi Garu. Now,
good afternoon to all of you. I know it's busy schedule since Rashmi Garu requested me to come here. So I said I'll just launch and leave, even though I do not know too much about this device. But she promised me that she would let me know, she would come home and tell me, explain me. So today, whoever is the Safe Zone, whoever the owners are or whoever is into it, those two boys have come. Rashmi, you are the one. So I would like to congratulate and I welcome this device. I hope it will be useful because you talked to me about using it on frontline warriors first. So we are looking forward for it and whatever help you all need from my side, from the city side, as a mayor, I would promise that, we would help you in this.
The second point which I liked is about inclusion of the artificial intelligence. And today's time, it is always a technique and technology, and if they both don't go hand in hand, that's where we're going to falter. The third point, which is important, is that when the COVID third is going to come, which is already started actually, the next generation is going to get affected. That is 18 plus are all vaccinated. Who is left over is less than 18 years. And we do know kids are the one person who is not going to be compliant with whatever we say. They are not going to allow us to check their temperature, pulse rate. Every day if somebody wants to check that, they're not going to allow. So hopefully this watch is going to help us in bringing immunity of the kids, small kids even. The fourth very important thing is allowing us to analyze so many things. And as a human being, we always want a dil mange more. So they're putting so many things into it. And I'm sure analyzing is not our job, and somebody else at Robo is going to analyze there and is giving us the data which we can give. And always remember, prevention is always better than cure. So we are trying to prevent the complications rather than stopping the infection. Stopping the infection is only by vaccination and face mask and social distancing. Don't think these both are different. This is complementary to things which are happening. So all the best, Rashmi. Way to go and congratulations.
Good afternoon, everybody, and a great initiative by Rashmi. Initially, when I was told about this, I was not very sure how it's gonna help us. A very important thing, what actually got me connected to this was the word Raksha. During the first wave, actually I used to roam around. We used to see patients day in and day out. So I used to just roam around only with just a 3-ply mask. So I was not that scared. It wasn't worrying me much. So I actually took it in a very easy manner. So the time as in we saw the second wave initiation in India, when we were seeing very near and dear ones, actually we lost patients in a span of as young as 30-35 years. We lost them in a span of 2 days, 3 days. We have seen a lot of patients getting their hands amputated, legs amputated, post-COVID complications. It actually scared me to death. I was so worried and scared because I have to work and we work in a very close proximity to the patient. So it always worries because I need to go back home. I have very aged parents at home. I have kids at home. So we were actually something like this sort, if could be brought to India, would be really helpful. And I think talking about Safe Zone, I think they spoke everything about it. It is the need of hour for people like us and people like you and most of the people who are in association with the public. For me, it works both the ways, both in the movies as well as on the medical fraternity. Ma'am, it is an amazing initiative by you. We appreciate it wholeheartedly, and I hope people should take this forward so that actually, like Manjula ma'am said, we can prevent the next generation from falling trapped to this. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would first and foremost like to tell everyone that even though things have opened up and the lockdown is being relaxed, a lot of rules have been eased out, that does not really mean that we take it easy. In fact, if we need to be careful, it's pretty much now. Because people are going to roam around normally, things are going to get back to normal, does not mean that we are all safe and fine. So please take utmost care, be extremely careful, and please wear a mask, double mask. I double masked on my way here to Hyderabad this morning, and of course followed all safety protocols as much as I could. And I really sincerely urge all of you to do the same. Let's be responsible for one another, that's extremely important. And well, I'd like to say a very big congratulations to Rashmi. This is a wonderful product. And like it's been mentioned by Bharat Garu as well as Manjula Garu, this is something that's going to be extremely useful for me in my industry once I resume work. I really like the fact that this actually sends notifications on the app. So if your body temperature fluctuates, if your SpO2 fluctuates, you'll actually get a notification, which is an immediate sign, even before you test, before you do your RT-PCR, that you need to isolate immediately. So that cuts down and minimizes risk as much as possible. And I think that is pretty much the need of the hour. And also, I'm extremely glad about the fact that you are donating this to the frontline workers. I think this is extremely important for all our doctors out there who are doing way beyond, who are putting the community and the needs of COVID patients before their own families. This is something which will really help them, and really heartfelt gratitude for doing this, and all the very best.
Thank you, Kajal Garu. Thanks a lot. That was a lovely words. And Dr. Bharat Reddy Garu want to speak few more words.
Just a small thing, as in we have come up with a very small startup called Millet Marvels. We are just trying to change the way India eats. So for my staff and our people, I was just thinking I would request Rashmi ma'am. So ma'am, we'll be taking somewhere around say 10 to 15 rakshas from you. So that's how we will be starting this.
So COVID second wave ఎంత dangerousగా spread అయ్యి I think most of us lost their loved ones in the friend circle or family circle or many people. Second wave nobody thought, అంటే చాలా మంది guess చేయలేదు that second wave would be so dangerous. So after that we thought the founder of this safe zone from US is Mr. Krishna. So when we were speaking to him, ఆయనతో మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు ఆయన చెప్పారు it is working really good in US. చాలా మంది క్రికెటర్స్ కానీ సెలబ్రిటీస్ కానీ యూఎస్లో ఆల్రెడీ వాడుతున్నారు. ఇది 100% అక్యురసీ ఉందని ఆయన అష్యూరెన్స్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మేము దీన్ని ఇండియాకి ఎలా తీసుకురావాలి అని ప్లాన్ చేసాం. వీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫైనలైజ్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, డేట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఈవెన్ కాజల్ హెస్ గివెన్ అ డేట్ ఆన్ 14th of last month, బట్ దేర్ వాజ్ అన్ ఇమీడియట్ లాక్డౌన్ వల్ల మాకు పర్మిషన్ దొరకలేదు లాంచ్ చేయడానికి. మేము యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ దీన్ని ఇండియాలో లాంచ్ చేస్తేనే చాలామంది లైఫ్ సేవ్ అవుతాయన్న ఉద్దేశంతో దీన్ని పెట్టుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ ద రిలాక్సేషన్, మొన్న 10th తర్వాత మన తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ రిలాక్సేషన్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత చాలా లిమిటెడ్ పీపుల్తో కోవిడ్ ప్రోటోకాల్ ఫాలో అవుతూనే ఇది చేసాం మేము ఈ ఈవెంట్. అండ్ దిస్ సేఫ్ జోన్ గురించి వస్తే, సేఫ్ జోన్ ఈజ్ అ హెల్త్ బ్యాండ్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ అ రిస్ట్ వాచ్. మీరందరూ చూసుంటారు ఆల్రెడీ. సో దిస్ రిస్ట్ వాచ్ విల్ కీప్ ఏ ట్రాక్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బాడీ బిహేవియర్. మీ బాడీలో ఎనీ చేంజెస్ 24/7 ఎనీ చేంజెస్, టెంపరేచర్లో ఫ్లక్చువేషన్ కానీ, ఆక్సిజన్ సాచురేషన్ పడిపోవడం కానీ, ఇది ఏది ఉన్నా even in the night when you're sleeping, nobody will check it. We don't keep on check with a thermometer or a oximeter, right? So idi meeru band veskunte kanaka, it will keep a track of your oxygen saturation and then temperature fluctuation. It has got the blood oxygen blood monitoring, and then it has got the heart rate, it has got the pulse, everything in it, as you can also see in the description. My press note kuda already దీని గురించి డీటెయిల్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇచ్చాము. అండ్ మెయిన్గా దీన్ని ఇండియాలో ఫ్రంట్ లైన్ వారియర్స్ కోసం, బికాజ్ తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ మన స్టేట్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కానీ ఎప్పుడు లాక్డౌన్ పెట్టినా దెర్ ఈస్ 30% ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. లైక్ యాజ్ యూ సెడ్, మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, తర్వాత డాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు, నర్సెస్ ఉన్నారు, పోలీస్ పీపుల్. దే హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ వెదర్ ఇట్స్ డిస్పైట్ ఆఫ్ లాక్డౌన్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్. సో దే హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ ఫర్ ద నేషన్. సో మెయిన్గా దీన్ని ఫ్రంట్ లైన్ వారియర్స్ కోసం లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్సో గివింగ్ అవే ఆల్ ద many of safe zone watches to police department, doctors, and also to the media people, as already said, mentioned earlier. So ఇది మెయిన్గా, యాజ్ కాజల్ సెడ్, when they are working out and they cannot keep on checking with the thermometers and they cannot test, and much before you go for a RT-PCR test or something, it will give a push notification to your phone that there is a fluctuation in the temperature or oxygen levels or whatever happening in your body. So that will help you isolate yourself and then stop the spread to your family or friends or workplace or whatever. So now as the relaxation, COVID lockdown relaxation has come down, now a lot of people are going out and going around working part time. So this will be really helpful for people who are working out. And also children, maybe in a couple of months, 2-3 months lo manaki partial ga kuda idi start avvachu, schools and colleges. So when a kid, mother and father, obviously the parent would worry, like what is he going to touch and how is he going to interact with people, whether he is keeping the mask on. మనం ఇవన్నీ చెక్ చేయలేము పిల్లల్లో. సో వన్స్ యూ పుట్ దిస్ వాచ్ టు యువర్ కిడ్, all the information about the kid will have with the faculty and also with the parents. So this is something really great would happen in the next future, like whatever the third wave వస్తుంది అని అన్నారు ఇండియాలో. About that, and మా marketing head and మా శ్రీనివాస్ గారు ఉన్నారు, they are taking care of the sales. Sorry? It is available from today. Yeah, you can actually go to the rakshawatch.com India సంబంధించిన వెబ్సైట్ ఇది సేఫ్ జోన్కి. సో యూ కెన్ గో అండ్ యూ కెన్ బై ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ దే, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఆల్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ ద బ్యాండ్ దేర్. Mr. Srinivas and Sameer and Krishna from US are taking care of the sales and marketing in India.
And a big congratulations to Rashmi and the entire team for launching this, for thinking of this, for the wonderful initiative of giving these away to frontline warriors. I think it's brilliant. And I also believe that you can always see the time in your phone, but you need to wear this safe zone strap so that you can monitor your own health status, which is far more important at the moment. So I think that this is a great investment and all of us should definitely go get this.